Let's talk about the settings available for TeamLink Portal. We'll go ahead and open the settings and head to the TeamLink Portal page. Here we have mostly informational data. So we've got the login URL for your TeamLink Portal, which will populate here. We have some graphing of the usage by TeamLink Portal users within the last 30 days. And we have a list of users that have access to TeamLink Portal. The TeamLink security roles is the only modifiable section of settings here. You can add roles for users that don't fit the existing roles, and you can modify or delete most of your roles. The architect, owner, and vendor roles cannot be deleted. Let's take a look at the administrator role here. We have the opportunity to change the administrator role name if we want to, and we can also set particular settings for each of the features or documents that can be accessed through TeamLink Portal, as well as what access type this user has. So you have a few options for access type. No access and referenced only are going to be available or be the only available access types for documents and settings and features that can only be for an entire project, while things like journals and RFIs and things along those lines, where you may have users that access TeamLink Portal as a specific company, like a subcontractor or something along those lines, would be able to access only their reference documents, those that are to their company. And you can also set it up so that a user has access to all documents for projects that they have access to. Where appropriate, there is an Allow Add checkbox for the user to be able to add documents through TeamLink Portal, and all are going to have an Allow Read checkbox, as well as a Set Permissions for this particular feature or document type checkbox. Once you've made a change to any of the settings on the page, save and close enable. We're not going to save our changes though, and we're going to go ahead and click cancel here.